Yeah, right now you are visible and audible.
Both. Thank you.
So how are you,
Actually,
ma'am?
sorry.
How are you? Are you fine?
Now I'm feeling good.
Okay. Where are you right now? It's your garden?
It's my garden, full of tulsi plant. Look,
Okay. Flower and tulsi
only
plant.
tulsi plant. Yes, yes, yes. Let's
So it's your house? It's your house?
that side.
Backside.
Yes, it's
So
our. This is nearby our ring well.
okay.
Ring well is here and the garden.
Any
There is
vegetable or
banana plants. Yes.
do you grow any vegetable or fruit, ma'am?
No, only guava is here. Nothing any
Okay.
vegetable fruits. No.
Okay.
There is a
So you
small mango tree. You can see that this is a small mango tree.
yeah, yeah. Nice. So we are meeting first time. So do you mind introduce yourself so we will get to know each other? Please introduce
Definitely.
yourself.
As we are meeting for the very first time, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Rita Mahanto. I am from Raurkela in Sundargarh district of Odisha. Since 2 years, I have been practicing as an advocate in Raurkela court. Apart from this, my hobbies are yoga and art. As well as I want to help people, those who want to learn English, those who are studying in the Odia background school, Odia medium school, and they are
Okay.
starting their English journey from zero level. I want to help them. That's all about me. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
About to you.
Let me introduce. My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. It's my hometown where I live. And if I talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in private company. As it's my profession. So that's all about me. So you
Thank
told
you.
me that you teach in Odia medium school.
I have completed my study in Odia medium.
Okay. And nowadays, what are you doing, ma'am?
I have been practicing as an advocate. Since 2 years, I have been practicing as an advocate. Under senior advocate.
Okay, you are practicing. So have you done your LLB course? Have you done
Yes, I
your
have completed. Completed.
so it was 3 month 3 years course or 4 years course?
LLB is the 3 years course and LLM that's the 5 years course.
5 years course. So you have done LLB course.
Yes, after graduate, you should to do.
Yeah, actually I
You
also
can do
wanted
that LLB course.
I
Yes.
also want to do this course, but I could not because that time I was learning graphic design course. That's why I could not. But
Wow.
I also was interested to do a LLB course. Yeah,
Wow.
because one of my friend, he was learning. He was like doing LLB course. So that time I was also interested to do LLB course, but I could not because that time I also, I was also learning graphic design course. Yeah, and I am also now I am working in a printing press as a graphic designer.
Wow. Now, are you there expert on that way? I think you are expert on that way now. Graphic designer.
Yeah, yeah. Do you know about graphic design?
I mean that the one type of art. I
No,
think
no, no.
uh,
I make flex. I make poster design. I make logo design.
logo. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I make all type of design regarding related to advertisement. Related to advertisement. Yeah. Why
Okay.
I'm
Which
asking
type
is
of logo? I mean that the company logo. Yeah, something.
actually I can make all type of design like company logo, product cover logo. Suppose if you have any company, if you make any product related to like oils or any shampoo, any soap, then if you want to make any type of design like logo design, product cover design, then I can make for you. Yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
okay. That's
design
good.
graphic designer make all type of design regarding related to advertisement, offline, online,
Both. You
both.
mean both online as well as offline also?
Offline or yeah, offline, online, both.
Okay, that's good.
Suppose you are advocate, okay, and if you want to make visiting card, if you want to make visiting card, then I can make visiting card for you. So it's my work. Yeah.
Okay. I have my personal stamp and visiting card both.
Yeah. So I make those type of design.
Good job. That's it. I can
And
say
why are
that
you
that's a
learning
good
English
job.
language? Why are you learning English language? And since when have you been learning English language?
Wow. As I told you, I am from Odisha. My mother tongue is Odia, and I
Okay.
have completed my study also Odia medium school. And Odia is my first language, Hindi is my second language, and English is my third language.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So
As
can you speak
I
Hindi
told
language?
you, yes,
Can you speak and understand Hindi language?
yeah, I know that language properly.
Okay. So how did you learn Hindi language? And from where did you learn Hindi language? You
No, it was
spoke
a subject. Just only when I was studying, it was a subject.
Hindi was your subject when you were studying in school.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. It means you can understand and speak
I
properly.
can write also. I can write and read both and speak also.
Okay. And how many hours do you practice every day to improve your English language? And how do you practice? What do you do to improve your English language?
Actually, practice means it's one type of hobby. Just this hobby is a new hobby for me. Just last Saturday, I started that making conversation video.
Only
From
last Saturday.
yes, 2nd November. It was 2nd November. I started my conversation video and uploading there also English conversation video on my YouTube channel.
Okay. So
Yes.
why did you think that you should make video? What was the reason? Why did you think?
Yes, I already told that because of the in our Orissa, there are Odia medium student, those who are studying in Odia medium school, they are not getting that much chance to learn English.
Okay.
So nowadays English is the global language as well as official language. So I want to help them, those who are belongs to poor family, rural area. Basically, I want to help them. That's why I opened that English YouTube channel. That's name is Best Way of Rita.
And do you teach at your home or not?
Actually, as I told you, I am professionally an advocacy, so I am not getting that much time. But those who are calling me, actually, on my self introduction, I distributed my personal contact number,
Okay.
and I am getting the call also and message also. Through that call and message, I want to help them and helping them also. I am helping them also.
Okay. It means you teach only English language as a help. As a
Yes,
help.
I am
Okay.
learning. I am learning because of my profession. It need for my profession, and I want to help them also.
In
Daytime,
village. So you live in
yes.
village.
No, it is the smart city.
It's a smart city.
Yes.
Okay, I
I'll
thought
send
you
you my
live
link.
in
I
village.
will send you my link. You will watch my video. Next video you will watch, and you will know that
Okay,
city.
how many video?
I
How
sent
many video?
one video
How
from
many
my
video?
portal. Hello.
How many video have you uploaded?
How many videos are there?
No, no, no. How many video have you uploaded on your YouTube channel?
Six conversation video I have uploaded.
Only 6 conversation video.
It is the seven number of conversation video with you because you are always busy and I am also not getting that chance to connect with you. Today, finally, we connected each other because of the today Sunday. Sunday.
Actually, I work in company, so I don't get more time to practice to make any video because I have to go every day 9:30 a.m. every day. So
Wow, wow.
understand, if I get up in the morning 5:36 a.m., then first I go to gym. First I go to gym. After come back, I practice only 30 minutes. I get free time only 30 minutes. So this time I practice. Yeah. So you can
Good.
say in the morning time I get only 30 minutes, 1 hour every day. So that time I practice only. So you can say as a job holder, I don't get more time to practice. Yeah. Only Sunday you can say I practice all day. I have been practicing since morning. I have been practicing since morning. Even I
Okay.
did my
You do every day. You do gym.
yeah, I go to gym. I like. I like.
Yes,
Yeah,
good.
every day I go to gym. Yeah.
That also
Before,
one type of exercise.
yeah, before I
Physical.
was learning taekwondo. Before I was learning taekwondo because I was interested. I was interested in karate, taekwondo. So I was learning before, but due to lack of time, I could not. Yeah, due to lack
Good.
of time, I could not complete. Yeah. So I do every day. I do everyday exercise. I do everyday gym in the morning time.
Are you happy
Yeah,
with
I'm
your?
very happy. I am very happy with my life. Yeah, I'm enjoying my life, my job. Yeah, and
Good, good.
in future, my dream is that I want to go abroad. That's why I'm learning English language. There is my reason behind it. So I'm trying to improve myself. I'm trying to improve myself day by day, because I know English is very important. English is very compulsory. If you have lot of degree, but if you don't have communication skill in English language, so you will have to face problem to everywhere. If you go
Yes.
outside other state, then you need to speak only in English language. If you speak English language, then people think you are educated person. You are educated. It doesn't matter you are advocate, it doesn't matter you are inspector, it doesn't matter you are a professor. If you don't have good command at English language, if you don't have good communication skill, then people
No,
think
they do
yes, you are
other
not
things. Yes,
educated
I
person.
totally agree with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a reality. It's a reality in India. It's a reality in India. That's why I'm learning English language. Because
Good, good.
1 or 2 years ago, when I had completed my graduation, that time I didn't have any job because I didn't have any degree. I have degree, I had degree, but I didn't have any skill. you know so when
Yeah.
I went to one company and I gave interview, examiner asked me in English language every question. That time I could not answer, I could not give answer. That time I realized that yeah, I should learn English language. So since that time I have been practicing, and right now you can say I'm able to speak in English language.
How long have you been practicing?
I have been learning English for 1.5 year. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah. So you can say I practice a lot. That's why I'm able to speak.
Okay. Uh, Are you a YouTuber or just making video for practice?
No, no, I'm also YouTuber. I'm also YouTuber. 2 months ago, I created my YouTube channel. So I have uploaded 93 videos so far.
Wow, good, good, good. You got that experience, I think.
Yeah, because when I started my YouTube journey, that time I used to
Confidently.
upload every day.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
My side, I am so nervous because of the new I'm feeling. But you are talking confidently because
Because
before one
I have
year you
talked,
are
I have
practice.
talked, I have talked with many people. That's why I have confidence to speaking. You know.
Yes, 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 yes,
Actually,
yes.
initially I was also nervous. Initially, I was also nervous. But now you can say I have confidence. I can talk to anyone without hesitation.
Good. What do you do when you get bad comment?
Actually, I haven't got any bad comments so far.
Wow,
So I
you're lucky.
have
You are so lucky
experience.
that time.
I haven't got any bad like comment that you are not speaking good or not like without confidence speaking. So I haven't got any message this type. Yeah, but yeah,
Okay. If we
any
got a
message.
bad comment, then what should we do that?
No, suppose if you get any bad message that your English is not good, that you can say that I was not born in England or America. I was born in Odisha, or you can say I was born in like India. So my mother tongue is Odia, so I can speak very well Odia. English is not my mother tongue. I am learning English language, so I can make mistake. If you think that without making mistake you can learn English language, so it is not possible. You know you can make mistake because you are learning English language. A language is like it will take time. You can't be fluent like within 6 months or 1 year. It will take time, minimum 4 year, 5 year.
No, no, no. I'm saying that uh, I got that bad comment, but it did depress to me.
No, nothing,
Actually,
nothing. Actually, it's a language, so we can make mistake. It's not our mother tongue. If you get any bad comment, then you can
we
reply.
are understand we are understanding that it's not our mother tongue. It take time. We are understanding, but those who are mm, those who are that habit, they are only trying to pull down some other one. I think they want to, they are getting the time for bad comment, but they are don't give their 1 second time for one good advice.
You are right.
I think.
I have been practicing for 1.5 year, but I also make mistake. Now I also make mistake while speaking because I know it's not my mother tongue. I speak only this time when I practice on video call. Other time I speak Hindi language and Sadri language. So definitely, while speaking, I can make mistake because it's not my mother tongue. I don't have habit to speak English language. So definitely I can make mistake.